Hi friends, this is Bijita here once again. Today in this video I will show you an important topic, that is the intercompany document cancellation. I hope by the time you all know how to post a intercompany document, and if you know how to post an intercompany document, then it is quite obvious to know how to reverse the intercompany document as well. So let me show you an intercompany document first, and another point, it is a very important question being asked in any interview, and it is a important real-time scenario as well, because if you implement a project, if you have the intercompany scenario, which is quite common across the globe, then you have to specify your business the steps as well through which they can reverse their intercompany document. So that is also another task that you have to show them. So let me first show you an intercompany document, and I hope you all know how to post an intercompany document. If you don't know, then I'll share a link in the description box below, which will be having the intercompany document video link, intercompany document posting video link. So I'm going to enter a document. 87 is a document. 87 is a document number which says telephone expenses debit to intercompany payable. It is an intercompany document, and see, the cross company document number is being displayed here. So I'm double clicking on the same. It takes me to the cross company document number, which says 700 debit to 700 means 700 1000 company code. Here is the intercompany here is the intercompany document entire transaction, that is the telephone expenses debit to intercompany payable in the books of ABC company code, and in the books of 1000 company code it is intercompany payable debit to bank, means the expenses is being occurred under ABC company code, and the same is being paid by 1000 company code. The document shows the same. Now I have to reverse this document. Now how to reverse the same? Here there are two document number posted. This is one of the document number, and this is another document number. And this is the cross company document number. Now if you go and reverse any one of the document number individually in FB08, then system will not allow you to do. Why? The reason being, it has a cross company document number available. So first you have to reverse the cross company document number. However, let me show you first. If I go to FB08 and if I try to reverse the single documents individually, then what will happen? I am going to FB08, putting the document number here, clicking on the save. See, it says reverse entire transaction. This means the intercompany document number. This is the intercompany document number. Let me go to this section. See, it is the intercompany document number, and it is matching with this section. That means it is a intercompany document number that system is indicating. So I am going to reverse the intercompany document first. In order to reverse the intercompany document number, I have to go to the transaction, this one, FBU8. This is the transaction wherein I can reverse the intercompany document number. So I am going to this transaction. Here I have given the this one, the intercompany document number. I have entered the intercompany document number. I have entered my company code, the fiscal year. Let me check the fiscal year. The fiscal year is the fiscal year is 2020. Let me give 2020 here. Now just clicking entering intercompany can be reversed. It gives me two document number, as this cross company code document number has two document number available. One is 3 posted under the company code 1000, another one is 87 posted under the company code ABC. So I am ticking both of them because both of them will be reversed. Now clicking on the save button. See what happens. Intercompany transaction completely reversed. Okay, it got reversed completely, and let me check. Now going to display the document once again, FB08 once again, sorry, FB03 once again. I am going to display my old document number. 88 is the new document number, that is the reverse document number. However, I will not go there. I will go to my 87 document number, which got posted in the books of ABC, and which was the original document number, which was telephone expenses debit to intercompany payable. Now going to the cross company document number. This is the cross company document number. However, I am coming back. This was my original document number. Now clicking on this header button. See, it will say reverse by this, means this is the new document number posted, which has reversed the 87 document number, which was the old document number. Now double clicking on the same. This is the 88 document number, which got posted by this transaction. Basically FB08 is being displayed, the reason being in the background this transaction, means FBU8 transaction is calling the FB08 transaction only, hence system is displaying this. However, it is the new document, means it is the reversal document, and reference by this means it is SAP is linking the reference with this document number with the cross company code document number, because the new cross company document number is this, which is again the reversal of the old cross company document number. So this is the main funda of the intercompany document reversal. So it got reversed completely. Now going to FB03 once again, 1000, because 3 was the document number posted under 1000 company code, and also which was also another document number against the cross company code transaction this. Now going to the header once again. In the header, see, it got reversed by 4, because just now I have reversed the same, and the reversal document has also been posted with the opposite document number, and also this is the document number posted in today's date, that is 31st of January 2021. So it has been reversed completely. So that's the concept of intercompany reversal. I hope this much is clear to you. If it is not, then please put your question in the comment section. I will surely try to answer all of your queries. And if you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe the channel. I'll surely come up with my next video within few days. Till then, keep watching the channel. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.